There he is.
Missed him. He's still there. Find that purple cactus. Got him.
You down?
Yep. Congratulations, Ken.
Thank you.
Ken came out from Idaho. And this is the first day of the hunt. Glassed up these javelina at about a mile away. And we made our stock. It was probably about a good hour stock. Got across the canyon from him at 250 yards. And his first shot, I don't know if it was wind or what, but he missed his first shot. But instantly he racked in another round and placed the shot just right. But here it is. It's a nice sow, a nice big sow, actually, older one. It's got some nice chompers on it there. You see
nice teeth.
Those teeth. But what made you want to decide to come javelina hunting?
I wanted to try something new.
Yeah.
I deer and elk hunt a lot and predator hunt in Idaho, and obviously we don't have javelina there, so I wanted to try something new and see some different country. It's nice to get out and see something different than you're used to. The hiking is still the same. It's still hard.
Yeah. These mountains are tough.
but it's been a good hunt. It's nice to get one the first day, but
yeah, that's
it's nice to see the country too.
Yeah, some great country in here. Well, congratulations again, Ken.
Thank you. Appreciate it.